Good morning, scientists. Welcome to WildCam Gorongosa. This is the home page, and you have already, if you are watching this video, clicked on this link, read through the history of Gorongosa National Park, watched the trail cams video, read about the research goals, the wildlife surveys in the greater Gorongosa landscape, insights into conservation of important species. The tracking lion recovery is optional, and importantly, help us collect data. Once you've read this, you have used the back arrow to go back to the main screen, and then you've clicked on the Get Started Wildlife Cam Gorongosa. Very important to read through these tabs as it explains how you are going to be identifying animals in the pictures. You're going to be exploring photos from camera traps in a national park in Mozambique, Gorongosa National Park. You're going to identify the animals you see in the photos, help track their continued recovery. You're going to click on each of these bars. You will select the animals in the photos, and I'm going to go through an animal with you so that you can see how the process works. You're going to use these buttons on the right to pick the animals, and many of the animals, especially the deer-like animals, are not easy to identify. This is why you've only been assigned to do 5 photos today. You're going to mark what animals are there in the photo, how many of the animals are there, and what behavior the animals are showing in the pictures. There are options here to help you identify the animals because most of us don't know all of these animals. And I will go through that process with you. And if you're not 100% sure, do not worry. Every photo is seen by many different individuals, and it's the group consensus that helps the scientists figure out which animals are in the pictures. If there is a lot of disagreement about what is in the photo, one of the researchers will take a look themselves. And this is our last, join the community and learn. That's it. So we are going to do this right now.